Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create new document in Photoshop. We can create new document in Photoshop by pressing Ctrl+N or by simply clicking on new. Here we can write the name for our document. I write it as project 1. Different types are available for our document. We select international paper when we have to make something for print purposes. Different sizes are available under international paper. Custom document type is generic document type. We can give width and height of our own choice. Width and height can be in pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, picas and columns. Resolution is an important property. Higher resolution means higher quality. In color mode, we can select the color mode for document. I select RGB color. Click OK. New document is created.